So in this lecture, we are going to see how to collect data in a string or a list or a set. So let's take the same example of a stream operation example which we saw earlier. Which one is this? This one. Okay. Here collect the list into the string. So first example, print the name of students whose age is greater than 21. This is our goal, so we need to print it. So let's define a stream. First thing, okay, sorry, it's a wrong method. Stream. Okay, we defined a stream. Come on, don't give me suggestions. Okay, and sorry, filter. What is a filter? So on a student, if s dot get age greater than 21, and this is the first filter we did. After that, map. We have a map which is accepting a function. So function is a functional interface where you need to you can pass the two types, and one is the return one and one is the argument. Okay, so let's define it. So how you're going to define it? Do you still want me to write a method for it? Okay, let's write it. Public name is a string, right? Get name. What I'm going to pass? I'm going to pass the complete student object, right? Complete student object to you, because this filter is returning stream of a student. So I am going to pass you the student, and what you need to do for me, just return a student dot get name. That's it, right? I don't need this. I don't need this one as well. I don't need return. Let's convert it to lambda. I don't need this braces. I don't need return, sorry. Okay, and now I don't need a type of argument also, and that is my lambda. Ready. And that's the problem, because we already defined as a student, so convert it to like this. Okay, so this is a map done. So we have now a map of a student name, right? So what is a map of a student name? So we have a name in it. Now what is the next? Filter. So let's try to do system dot out dot print, sorry, not print, what happened? It's not a filter, it's a for each. Right? It is printing me Piyush ABC PQR, but it's printing me in a one by one, because it is iterating over a list, and for each record it is printing. So it is printing on a new line. It can print me on the same line also, but it will be then like a concatenate, right? But I don't know what to do it. I want the output in a string. So let's collect the output. We have a collect method here which is accepting the collector. So here in the collectors we have a method called in the stream, okay, in the java.util.stream package, collectors dot join, and where you can pass the sequence. How need? It's a comma separated. I need a comma separated values, and that's it. But what is the output of the collect? It's a string. So let's change it to string of a student, sorry, names. Let's print it. You can say it's printed with the comma separated. So we got the value in the comma separated format. Now let's take the another example. So what is the objective here? We are practicing it, right? So let's think like you need to collect, you need to parse over a string, parse over this list and add it to the another list object. So complete student object where student age is greater than 21. You need the student object which is greater than 21. You don't need to print it, you don't want to print it. Earlier example we only print it for each, print it for each, print it, but I don't want to print it, I need the new list. Okay, so